What up, guys? Welcome back. So today's Wednesday. We're actually on the deadline of delivering the Rolls Royce today by noon. So right now it's kind of crunch time. We got a few people on it. We're just putting it back together. The car is 98% of the way wrapped. The wheels are on. The calipers are wrapped. The doors are on. Doors are lined up. The chrome delete just has a couple of missing strips. Like usual, you're gonna have a couple of little touch-ups once everything gets put together. The doors line up and everything. But it's 10:20, so let's see if we make it. The customer's coming down at 12. We gotta put it together, and we gotta still throw on the fake taxi stickers on there. So as you can see, we got basically everybody on it. We're wrapping the center of the wheels. Roberto and Tony wrapping the center of the wheels, and then Rudy, this assembly guy, with Eduardo, are just putting the car back together. You know, the grill, that grill was. Let's look at the grill real quick. The grill was like 45 pieces to take it apart and wrap it. So it's completed. We're gonna get put on. But I did assembly in this one. So the guys have stuff all over. It's crunch time. But you got the grill right here. All of this is chrome. So they wrap both sides. So there's 28 of these. So each one has to get wrapped to both sides. This is another piece. This is another piece, and there's other pieces around it. So everything's wrapped. It's getting put together now. On the calipers, we actually did reflective, so that's gonna look cool. Probably not gonna look good in the video, like I'll be able to appreciate it because daytime. I think the car looks phenomenal. It's almost there. What do you show the car if you don't mind? So you got all the chrome completed. We're actually gonna be tinting the tail lights. That's something he requested, but we just think it's gonna look a little better, so we're gonna throw that on for him. It's gonna be the last thing we do, because that's a gift. Then, yeah, it's just that door right there behind you missing, and we'll be good to go. Let's show them the other side real quick. So this side is already, you can see how the paint finish on this material. This side is fully done. Doors are lined up and installed. You got the chrome delete, mirrors, and everything. This side is done, so obviously test, everything works. The door needs a minor adjustment. Door jams and everything, so we gotta also wipe it down and get it completed. And obviously, I talk about the week. The rest of what we got going on. We got this Fiat 500. The customers are going to be putting in two of those. So I was getting Tiny Bot. It's a cool new brand. Really good quality. Very comparable if you're watching this, if you're on the fence about it. Very, very comparable to inozetek and Tech Wrap. Good stuff. Materials in stock in California. They hooked us up with that roll at a discount so we can try it out. And honestly, I would have paid full price. It's amazing. You can see the finish on this. Guys just started it yesterday. You might have seen it on our Instagram. I mean, it's a nice purple black. Very nice finish, no orange peel. The material is super thick. And not super thick, but it's thick enough to where it feels good. And the adhesive seems strong. So the corners and everything hold really well. And obviously we got the most popular color in the world, satin dark gray. We're doing that in this BMW and the GTR. The GTR is just about completed. We're gonna be driving the GTR to Discount Tire in a minute, because the customer bought it and there's the lug nut key. We don't have it, so we can't take out the wheels. We still gotta do the calipers, still gotta do the powder coating and the ceramic coating, but without the wheels being off, we can't do anyway. So we spoke to Discount Tire, and we're gonna be, when the Rolls Royce leaves, driving it over there, they can break that out for us, and then we'll be able to get the wheels off and get them completed. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to helping the guys with the cars. We can get it out. We'll pick up the video when the customer comes to pick it up.
All right, so what are we doing today?
First of all, we need a sponsorship because I drank way too much of this. We're gonna be doing the driver's side door jams. All there really is to it right now. I guess we'll be doing the brake calipers today as well. That's getting a 3M yellow reflective, so that'll be pretty cool.
Are these the most expensive doors you've ever removed from a vehicle?
I didn't even remove them, so that's what we got Rudy for. Rudy!
Where's he at?
Are these the most expensive doors you've removed?
Yeah, I think those are like the most expensive doors I've probably taken apart. It's easier, to be honest with you, than like most BMWs and stuff that I've done. Not door jams, but like taking apart a Rolls Royce, and it's my first time taking apart the grill, which I mean, I'm pretty sure he's gonna show you in a bit.
So, but you said it was easier, right, compared to any other door to remove?
Yeah, dude, it was only like 5 bolts, bro.
Yeah. So now now you know how to break into one, right?
Most likely. I mean,
we can't.
I work on everything, bro. Like, we got a GTR over there, we got a Subaru, a Ford truck, a BMW, a Mercedes, a Porsche, a Rolls Royce.
This is a inozetek.
You like inozetek?
I have mixed feelings about inozetek. I don't think anything bad of them. Great film, looks great. The only other brand I could think of that has this same type of gloss is Tech Wrap, which, let's face it, they're basically the same material. Just Tech Wrap sticks a little better.
So how'd you start doing this?
I literally got really lucky, like even finding this industry. Pretty much, this guy, actually it's here in town. It's called Epic Worldwide. It's like they do a lot of commercial stuff for like semis, and at one point I used to be a printing operator, so I ran like 3 printers at the same time all day, and that's all I did was just print stuff. And basically they worked like an assembly line, so it'd be me running my department, and then I give all the vinyl to the next department, so on and so on. But yeah, the general manager there, he's not there anymore, Herman. He took a chance on me, and that's how I'm even here doing this right now. So thank you, Herman, if you ever see this.
Would you kiss him?
Huh? No.
On the cheek.
Oh. On the cheek. I'd give him a firm handshake and a hug.
Okay. Let's move. You almost cried?
Yeah, man.
Now you gotta cook.
I love
what
it,
kind of food you
huh?
gonna have?
Oh, I'm gonna have fried fish, fried shrimp, deep fried crab. I'm gonna have Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. You could add shrimp, salmon, or crab to it.
Make sure you feed us.
Yeah, I'm gonna come feed y'all for sure.
Some of your food.
For sure, for sure.
All right, brother. Thank you for your business.
Oh man, thank you for your business, man.
I don't know what he said, and I was like, what? I was like, I didn't even know
What
he
he's
was
talking about?
Yeah. So,
That's really good, man. Yeah, because at first I'm thinking fake taxi. The only thing I could think of is fake taxis with the fucking
yeah, no, that's yeah, I was just pranking. But yeah, look at the gloss on that. So I know when your
that's
last
nice.
wrap, you weren't too happy with the gloss. Well, I wait for the Rolls Royce customer. Let me introduce you to my family real quick. This is Amanda. This is my wife, business partner. She actually operates the back end, everything. If you haven't gotten paid for my name on us, it's her. So everybody gets paid because of her.
No, let's do that again. I said, hey, nice to meet you, because I'm thinking you're introducing me to him.
That's how you're gonna do a
you're good.
YouTube video just like that.
So
I
it's
know
good.
what
It's
I'm
vlog. It's a vlog, so you going on just like that.
And this is Mia actually. Mia has been coming to Purple Flare since she was like 6 or 8, something like that, whatever, when we started. And she actually helps us sometimes answer the phone and everything. And this is Pierre. Pierre, say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Say hi. High five. Bow.
He's the boss. Who's the boss? Who's the boss here? There you go. We don't know who the boss is. Adriel is here. Let's turn in the car. Yo, so the fake taxi tickets are on. He's here. Let's turn in the car and see what he thinks. This is just a prank him. Check it out.
Hello. What?
Lo van a traer ahora. Can you send somebody or can you bring it?
Yeah, I'll bring it.
¿Tú sabes lo que es eso? Fake taxi. Eso es una porno. ¿Sí? Sí. Eso debería hacerle prank a tu mujer. ¿Eh? Esto es una película porno. Pero eso está bueno. Deja de manejar con eso. Que te enseñe a tu mujer.
No, fíjate los otros rinos, ¿viste? A ver los frenos.
Y el logo, si te fijas incluso el logo, bro, eso es mi parte bonita. Tócalo. Está en una capa, bro.
Hey, hey.
So, le metimos a la capa original 3 capas de negro para que se vea más, para que quede más grueso. So here's Rolls Royce. That live we just completed it. Trying to do it, picking it up. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more. Daniel, ¿qué te pareció, hermano?
Mejor de lo que pensé.
Better than I thought, he said.
Super.
This is the 3rd wrap with us, actually. So we did his Range Rover, couple times because he got messed up. But we did his boats and he did some of his friends' vehicles as well. I got this Rolls Royce. Thank you guys for watching.